Buenos dias, dolphins. It's Friday, October 25th. It's also International Artist Day. I'm Bruno.
And I'm Claudia, and here's your ISP Elementary News. International Week will begin next week on Monday, October 28th. There will be a pod assembly, so make sure to wear your pod shirts. Wednesday, we will have our Fair of Nations, International Parade, and Cultural Lunch.
Today in the cafeteria, they'll be serving Indian-inspired dishes of beef and chicken with rice. Make sure you eat some veggies.
This is a reminder from our nurse to make sure we wash our hands constantly with soap and water. There are a few viruses circulating around school. If you feel unwell, make sure you stay home to stop the spread.
Joke of the day is, how do snakes eat well with no hands?
How?
They have forked tongues.
The random fact of the day is, the average $100 bill circulates for 9 years.
Mindfulness quote of the day is, kind words are short and easy to speak, but their echoes are truly endless. Mother Teresa.
That's it for today's ISP Elementary News. Have a fabulous Friday.